Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to open YouTube Studio in laptop, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to open YouTube Studio in laptop. The advantage to open your YouTube Studio is to manage your video, and if you want to contact the support and much more. Okay, first you need to go to YouTube and be sure that you log into your account and then click your profile icon. After that, you see here YouTube Studio, just click on it. And here in the left side you can see you have many things. Here is the dashboard, content and analytics, community, subtitles. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to open YouTube Studio. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.